Hello. We'll share why Ramanuj Mukherjee, the CEO of LawSeco, is a big advocate of freelancing and why contract drafting can be a game changer for you just as it was for him. Ramanuj grew up in humble circumstances. In 1991, during a recession, his family lived in a 150 square feet government flat with no electricity and limited food. His mother struggled to find a job, while his father's income barely covered essentials. As a child, Ramanuj decided he would not let his future mirror these struggles. Through hard work, Ramanuj topped the national law entrance exam and got into NUJS, a top law college. But his family could not afford the fees. So he took an education loan. Things got tougher in his first year when college fees nearly doubled overnight, leaving him with no financial cushion. The bank refused to increase his loan without collateral, which his family did not have. Ramanuj realized he would have to start earning himself to complete his education. In his second year, Ramanuj began freelancing. He worked for CLAT coaching and startups in Kolkata. Later, he took on ghostwriting assignments. Soon, he expanded to managing a team of 20 law students. By his third year, he co founded a legal risk management consulting firm with Abhyuday Agrawal, COO, LawSeco. By 2009 to 10, as a third, fourth year law student, his average monthly income was 80,000 rupees. Freelancing transformed his life. He paid income tax and his college fees. He could afford books, software, internships in big cities, and even travel abroad. Contract drafting played a key role when he quit his top tier law firm job to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams. Here are some examples of how freelancing gave him confidence. A Japanese gaming company paid 1.7 lakh rupees for research and India entry advice thanks to his expertise and ownership of the iPleaders blog. An entrepreneur friend raised funds and Ramanuj worked with his network to draft a shareholders agreement earning 1.2 lakh rupees. After quitting his job, he drafted one contract a week, covering his living expenses in both Kolkata and Mumbai. Freelancing and contract drafting empowered Ramanuj to escape poverty, pay his bills, and focus on his passion. His parents had always told him that excelling in academics would ensure a better life. But in reality, freelancing and contract drafting made all the difference. It's not just about knowing the work, it's about learning how to find it, build a network, and create a track record. Ramanuj's experience inspires how Law Seco empowers its learners today. Vaishnavi Srivastava, a Law Seco learner, specializes in international IP and contract drafting. She has earned over 30,000 US dollars, nearly 25 lakh rupees in less than 3 months. See her profile here on your screen. Another learner discovered financial freedom through Law Seco as shown in this screenshot. The skills you learn through contract drafting can help you earn money, secure jobs, and negotiate better salaries, and also make you financially independent anytime and anywhere. It's a skill set that can be monetized whenever you need it, provided you learn the work, build a track record, and grow a professional network. Are you ready to begin your journey in international contract drafting? Attend our free live online bootcamp. Set an alarm each day and block your calendar. This bootcamp will be life-changing experience just as freelancing was for Ramanuj. Join us and let's create your success story.